Hi, I'm Nikki Glassman of the Glassman Group with RE/MAX Premier, and welcome to Elegance in the Sky Personified. I'm here in Midtown at Reston Town Center, the only luxury high-rise in the town center. Step into Penthouse Unit 1813 and experience the ultimate corporate executive suite, combined with sophisticated yet lively home sweet home sunset parties overlooking your glorious panoramic views of the Blue Ridge Mountains after a full day of teleworking. Nothing matches the quality and style of this completely reconstructed, almost 2,500 square foot condo, and nothing, I can assure you, exists like this here in Midtown, or maybe anywhere else for that matter. Imported finishes adorn this unique space. From the top of the line gourmet chef's kitchen, which boasts the finest features, to the state-of-the-art bedroom suites with its custom dressing area, to the lavish owner's bathroom retreat with its heated floors, this is merely the beginning in highlighting the magnificent features that this home has to offer. Enjoy the tour.
As you step in the front door, the Tigerwood 5-inch plank wood floors glisten, and you'll find them throughout the home. To your left is the formal dining area with a custom built-in buffet and highlighted by a stunning Swarovski chandelier. There's a custom sidebar with wine refrigerator. And straight ahead in this open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings is the ultimate entertaining space with floor-to-ceiling windows with auto blinds that you have throughout the home, recessed lights which you also find throughout, and access out to your private balcony with those amazing views. Back inside, you can also enjoy your custom stone gas fireplace on a cool evening. To the right of the front door is a full bath with marble floors and walls and a glass-tiled shower. Also to the right is the entrance to the amazing gourmet kitchen with Silestone countertops, side coffee bar and built-in microwave, 6-burner Thermador gas range, 3-door Thermador refrigerator freezer, an expansive center island with a breakfast bar, and custom cabinetry imported from Germany. The kitchen is open to the family room with custom built-ins and plenty of space to sit back and relax. Off the family room is the laundry room with a full-size stacked washer-dryer. And from the family room, double doors open to the palatial master bedroom retreat with custom built-in closets. A sliding glass door opens to a separate walk-in closet and dressing area. A sitting area to relax after you've stepped out of your freestanding infrared sauna. And open another set of sliding glass doors to reveal your luxurious ensuite bath with heated floors, separate custom vanities, an oversized seamless glass shower, and an air masseur tub spa.
Words are inadequate. You must experience this one-of-a-kind living and make this your home. So let's schedule a tour. For more information, contact us. Get in touch at nikkiglassman.com or call 703-464-0979. And remember, attitude says it all, so I can't wait to see you here in Unit 1813 in Midtown at Reston Town Center. Hey, click on the subscribe button below to keep up to date on all of our home tours, neighborhood videos, and expert advice on buying and selling real estate on our YouTube channel.